Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's as smooth as a flat white and as intriguing as a good mystery novel. Cracking the code to connect with the ladies. You ever find yourself wondering how to keep a conversation flowing effortlessly without losing your chilled out vibe? We've got the keys to making your interactions legendary, from mastering the art of genuine listening to embracing those cool vibes in the quiet. Stick around because, trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the secrets to expressing interest like a true smooth operator. So grab your favorite beverage, kick back, and let's unravel the essentials together. We are talking about the power of genuine listening, the cool vibes in the quiet, and expressing interest smoothly. These are not just tips, they are game changers in the world of connecting with the ladies. And guess what? You don't have to sacrifice your laid-back personality to make it happen. So, if you're ready to turn your conversations from ordinary to extraordinary, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into the secrets of chilling and chatting, cracking the code to connect with ladies. Whether you're a shy introvert or a chatty extrovert, no sweat, this video spilling the beans on how to connect with a lady in a way that's real, without losing your true blue personality. Point number 1. The pleasure of kicking back and listening. First things first, if you wanna have a great chat with a gal, ease up on the talking. Many folks forget that a convo isn't just about joy but also about the art of listening. Be an ace listener, pay attention to every word she spills, and throw in some body language that shows you're genuine about tuning in. Ask questions that make sense and respond to her stories smartly. This not only keeps the chat rolling, but also makes her feel valued and noticed. Gals usually dig a good chat when they feel their conversation buddy is genuinely tuned in. Here's several important things that must be used as main points. The power of genuine listening. Being a top-notch listener, it's not just about hearing words, it's about actively engaging with what the other person is saying. Genuine listening involves paying attention to the tone, the emotions behind the words, and the unspoken messages. Less talk, more connection. The idea here is to shift the focus from constant talking to creating a space where meaningful conversations can unfold. By reducing the emphasis on one's own words, individuals can create room for others to express themselves, fostering a deeper connection. Body language and active engagement. The pleasure lies not only in the words exchanged but also in the nonverbal cues. Being a good listener involves using positive body language to convey interest and engagement. It's about making the speaker feel valued and heard. Building trust through listening. By being attentive and genuinely interested in what others have to say, trust is naturally built. The pleasure of listening is a two-way street. As you show interest in others, they, in turn, are more likely to open up and share more authentically. Creating memorable conversations. Ultimately, the pleasure of kicking back and listening contributes to the creation of memorable conversations. When individuals feel heard and understood, it sets the stage for meaningful interactions that leave a lasting impression. The pleasure of listening is a foundational element in the art of conversation. It involves active engagement, positive body language, and a genuine interest in others. By embracing this pleasure, individuals can transform their interactions, fostering connections that go beyond the surface level. Point number 2. Cool vibes in the quiet. Next up, it's key for you to feel at ease when things go silent. A top-notch interaction isn't only when you're chatting, it's also when you can be quiet without any awkwardness. Don't be afraid to soak up the chill moments, grab a drink, kick back, and soak in the vibes. This vibe not only shows your courage to embrace the silence together, but also gives off the vibe that your connection is so cool that you don't need to yap on all the time. Remember, laid-back yet firm body language shows comfort in your own skin. Several important things that must be used as main points. Understanding the nature of silence. The quiet moments in a conversation are not to be feared but embraced. It suggests that these pauses are not indicators of awkwardness but opportunities for connection and understanding. Chilling and enjoying the atmosphere. To create cool vibes in the quiet, relax, lean back, and simply enjoy the atmosphere. It's about creating a comfortable and laid-back environment where both participants can take a breather and soak in the experience. Avoiding over-reliance on words. Instead of feeling the need to fill every moment with words, avoid over-reliance on constant chatter. It's about conveying a message through body language, enjoying a beverage, and remaining present in the moment without the pressure to speak. Embracing mindfulness and presence. The cool vibes in the quiet are also associated with being present in the moment. Whether it's enjoying a drink, leaning back, or simply being aware of the surroundings, it's a moment of mindfulness that enhances the overall conversational experience. Body language in the quiet. While silence prevails, the body can communicate a sense of relaxation, attentiveness, and a willingness to continue the interaction without the need for constant verbal communication. Cool Vibes in the Quiet is about transforming moments of silence into opportunities for connection. It involves embracing the tranquility, enjoying the atmosphere, and allowing the conversation to unfold naturally. By doing so, individuals create an environment where both verbal and non-verbal communication contribute to the overall cool vibes of the interaction. Point number 3. Express interest smoothly. Lastly, amp up any budding interest she might have in you. When you're both quiet, don't hesitate to express yourself in a way that's mysterious yet attentive. Keep the talking on the down low, but make sure every word that comes out has some real meaning. A gal's interest can naturally grow if you present yourself as laid back, mysterious, and still attentive. Don't be afraid to express yourself, but do it with some savvy. As time goes on, you'll see how your interactions become smoother and the gal starts feeling more comfortable chatting with you. When discussing this point, the following are things that must be considered. Mystery and expression. It's about keeping the other person intrigued by not revealing everything at once. This element of mystery adds a layer of excitement to the interaction. Balancing verbal and non-verbal expression. Smoothly expressing interest involves a delicate balance between words and non-verbal cues. It's not only about what you say but also how you say it. The tone, the pace, and the body language all play a crucial role in conveying genuine interest. Tuning into the other person. The smooth expression of interest requires a genuine curiosity about the other person. It involves actively listening to what they say, picking up on their cues, and responding thoughtfully. This level of attentiveness creates a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions. Leveraging silence strategically. Silence can be a powerful tool in expressing interest smoothly. Knowing when to pause, allowing the other person to absorb your words, and creating moments of thoughtful quiet can enhance the overall impact of the interaction. Building momentum gradually. Smoothly expressing interest is not about rushing into it, it's about building momentum gradually. It involves gauging the other person's comfort level, adjusting your approach accordingly, and allowing the connection to unfold at a natural pace. Express interest smoothly is about turning the expression of interest into an art form. It's a delicate dance of mystery, attentiveness, and charm that goes beyond mere words. By striking the right balance and allowing the connection to evolve organically, individuals can create a smooth and impactful expression of interest that leaves a lasting impression. With a combo of ace listening skills, ease in the quiet moments, and expressing interest with savvy, you'll become a cool dude without losing your real self. Give it a whirl, and may your time with that gal get even more awesome. And there you have it, we've uncovered the secrets to smooth conversations, from the pleasure of kicking back and listening to embracing those cool vibes in the quiet. Connecting with the ladies isn't about being someone you're not, it's about enhancing the awesome person you already are. Remember, being a top-notch listener isn't just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions behind them. Those quiet moments. They are not awkward, they are opportunities for a deeper connection. And expressing interest. Well, that's an art form, a delicate dance of mystery, attentiveness, and charm. So, as you go out there and kick back with your mates or strike up a conversation with that special someone, keep these tips in mind. You've got the power to create memorable conversations, ones that leave a lasting impression. Don't forget, the pleasure of listening is a two-way street. As always, thank you for hanging out with us today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join our legendary community. Remember, in the words of a wise soul, in every conversation, there's an opportunity to create a connection. So go out there, embrace the pleasure of kicking back and listening, enjoy the cool vibes in the quiet, and express interest smoothly. Stay cool and keep those conversations legendary.